Hi everyone, it's Chukuma from Mastermind Automobile Solutions. Today we want to talk about the importance of using a multimeter or a scan tool to check your charging system. It's important that you use this, especially in modern cars, as you can cause problems if you go through the old crude methods of just removing battery terminals or unplugging things the way it's been done before. Kindly like our video, subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment. Thank you. So the first thing you have to do as a car owner is to invest in a set of Jumpstart cables. Look for a good one, a superior quality one. Pay attention to the amps, in the car. With bigger vehicles, these amps matter. But if you just want to be safe, get one with about 800 amps. Is going to be useful for just about any kind of car. So if you have battery problems, you just connect the different terminals to your own terminal and to the car involved without unplugging anything. This is important as you don't have to start manually or using the crude method of unplugging things that may touch metal parts of the vehicle or even cause a short circuit and affect the car's computer or electricals as a whole. So we are going to do a little demonstration on testing out the charging system of these vehicles. We're also going to tell you some signs to look out for when you have a battery, an alternator problem, or a problem with your charging system as a whole. So we are going to demonstrate how to check the state of your charging system using a scan tool. We are going to use our scan tool to demonstrate that. Remember, you can use a multimeter or a scan tool. You either buy any of these or you get a technician to do so. Don't go through the crude method of unplugging your battery just to see the state of your alternator. It can affect things, especially if you drive these newer vehicles. So we plug in our scan tool so that we can quickly go about these tests. It's plugged in. So we're demonstrating this with a Honda. The scan tool is picking up the details of the vehicle. So, okay. So it's done so, and then we go straight to the menu. We go straight to the battery. You could see hybrid EV battery alternator test, which is where we're going to. And then it's indicating, is this your vehicle? Of course. So it has picked up the vehicle that we are involved in. Let's do the battery test first. So these are some instructions to look out for. Check the battery, check corrosion, and then you press this. Now it wants us to turn on our headlights, which we are going to do, which we've done now. So we're going to go continue, and it's going to count down to up to 20, from 20 seconds down, and we're going to follow the next prompt that it will give us. So 12 now, 11, 10, 9, 8, okay. All right. So we are in 1 now, and then it wants us to turn off the headlights and continue. Now starts the engine. So we can see that the battery status is good. And we can also further see the particular voltage readings, 11.9 at this point, and this is a higher point. So it depends on how much you drive the car. But we have seen that the battery status is good on this car. So the next thing we are going to go for will be the alternator test now. So we start it up again, and then we go for alternator test. It wants the engine to be running at normal temperature, which is what we have, and it also wants us to turn on our headlights, which we've done. Okay, so it's saying do not perform this test on smart alternator, hybrid or electric vehicles. You don't need to go through this particular method. So the alternator is reading, and we are going to ascertain the particular state it's in. So we increase the temperature to 2000 rpm, which is what we are doing now. So it's going to be counting down while we read the rpms. At the end of this countdown, we are going to know the state of our alternator. So it's counting down. We are 3 now, 2 and 1. Okay, so return the engine, and then we're waiting for the test results of our alternator. Alternator status good. So we've tested out the battery, we've tested out the alternator. We can see that for this car they are both giving good, you know, as the result. So it's in good shape. The charging system of this vehicle is in good shape. So it's important that this test is carried out from time to time in your car. We do that for our clients so that you know the state of your battery and the charging system of your vehicle. The crude methods of unplugging things and doing things locally on modern newer vehicles can ruin things for your car and you incur high bills. So take this precaution and follow the procedure we've listed out for you today. Kindly like our video, subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment. Thank you.